If you're able to, definitely have a system in a way so people can get off the plane, ride off to your car, and get all that extra money. It is now the summertime. So a major key of how you're able to do airport deliveries or deliver anywhere. YouTube, welcome back with another video. And today's video, as you can see, it's raining and we got to go drop off the car to the airport. Today's video is going to be about drop-offs and deliveries and to see if it's worth it or not. If some of you don't know, I am a Turo host in Charleston, South Carolina. Been doing Turo for about 3 years now. You know, I got to get the car clean. There's some dirt and everything. Got to clean up the windows. I called the car wash and they said that they're open. So the car is booked tomorrow, so I got to drop it off tonight. It's going out to the airport, and that's why we're going to be talking about this video to see if it's worth it or not to have deliveries and if you should be delivering your car. Of course, you know, having deliveries does have its pluses and minuses. It's just part of the game. In today's video, we're going to be talking about that. And before some of y'all in the comments say, why are you cleaning the car in the rain? It's just going to get dirty on the outside. I'm cleaning the car in the rain to clean the inside of the car because, you know, it's not too bad. It doesn't look too bad, but it's definitely not ready to turn over for the next guest. So we're just gonna clean it to get it ready for the next guest on the inside. The outside's, you know, you can work with it if it's dirty on the outside, but the inside, that's where they're doing most of the driving. So you wanna make sure that's clean for them. So without any further talking, let's go ahead and head over to the car wash. These people are gonna look at me like I'm crazy. They're gonna be like, bro, why in the world are you here right now? I run a business. Rain or shine, hot or cold, we gotta get this car ready, you feel me? It's all right, we're here now. Wait for the gate, and now we rolling in, rolling in. I kind of like that nobody's here right now too, because I can just bring y'all out and record me like this and there's nobody around to be like, what is that guy doing? Why is he recording? So I kind of like that. It's empty right now, honestly. But yeah, right here we got the towels. We're gonna grab some so we can clean up the car, and we're gonna grab one of these, and then that's where you can clean your mats off. And we got the rental car right there all parked up looking good. Let's go ahead and get into today's topic, delivery for your vehicle. So like I said, I've been doing this for a little minute, so I kind of have an idea. And if you haven't seen my last video, definitely go check that out. I made a video about how profiles should look like on Turo. We talked about delivery, descriptions, pictures, everything like that. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely go check it out right here. When it comes to delivery, it can kind of make or break you for Turo. You live in an area where pretty populated and you know, you have an airport, people are coming in town to visit. Once they get off the flight, it'll make it a lot easier if you have the car available for delivery. Me personally, I do charge $20 to deliver my car for Turo, and then the airport charges $17 to get out of the airport. But you know, I think it's definitely worth it to offer and have it. If not, I would definitely make your home location not at your actual house, but somewhere close to you. So I live next to a Costco, so I made my delivery location Costco, and it's also a very public area. There's plenty of people. It's safe night or day, so there's nothing really to worry about for me or the safety of the guests. So that's why I chose that location, and it's more convenient for me as well too. If you're really not offering delivery, it can kind of hurt you a little bit, because most of my trips, like this trip, and let me show you too, it's going to Charleston International Airport. You can see it right there, and it's good to be able to offer this for my guests because that's where I get most of my bookings from. They're getting off a plane and they're, you know, they're coming in and enjoy Charleston, see what all we have to offer and everything like that. And if y'all want to too, let me know if you want me to do more of like a POV around Charleston. If you've never been to Charleston, I could definitely do like a POV and show you what it looks like around downtown, and drive the rental car or my personal car around downtown, and just, you know, show you what it's like and just do like a POV talk. But anyway, that's where most of my money comes from. And not only that too, typically when people do rent the car here local in town, it always has turned out bad, whether it be smoking, damage, or, you know, late return, whatever it may be. It's always from people from in town, and it's always a problem or issue. And you know, that's fine because, you know, I get compensated for that. It's okay, but it's just more of a headache and more of the thing that you have to deal with. So if you are able to, definitely offer your car at an airport, or even up to your guests to like a hotel. But make sure you're getting some of your money back too. Like, make sure you charge a fee for it. Did see that most of the people who do offer delivery, they're giving the car away for free for the delivery, which is cool, you know, but at the same time, you're not really making that much money. But don't overcharge for it, but charge enough for you to be compensated for it and get some of your money back, you know, because, you know, it's your time, it's your money going to and from this place. So you might as well get some of that money back and, you know, feel like it's worth the trip for you to go do it. To really decide whether or not delivery is worth your time and effort, and if it's more convenient for you. Yes, you want it to be convenient for your guests, but if it's convenient for you and your guests, definitely do it. If you are able to drop it off at the airport, whether that be remote drop off or, you know, you're handing over the key yourself, definitely recommend doing remote drop offs. It can definitely help you out more in the long run and give you back some of your free time. That way you're not just so everything just going towards this, and it's more of whatever you want to do and not so tied down into this. I do have a tracker and a smart link on my vehicle. That's how I am able to turn around my vehicle a lot quicker. Without it, I wouldn't be able to do this at all. If you're wondering why you're not making as much money, or you're wondering why people who are just local in your town renting out your vehicle, that could be it. You know, if you don't have it on the right settings and everything for your vehicle. I've gone over my settings before in my video right here. Definitely go check that out about your settings that you should have for Turo. So it's gonna be under trip preferences right here, and you're gonna want to have it on whatever time that works for you. So for me, I have advance notice, 12 hours, trip buffer, 8 hours, shortest trip possible, 2 days. If it's not longer than 2 days, then, you know, what's the real point? You know, I gotta make some kind of money to do it. And the longest trip you could do is a week. I don't want nobody rent my car longer than a week. It's up to you if you do. You know, it's your car, you can do what you want, it's your time. You can adjust it how you want to and whatever works best for you. It seems to work out really well for me. I do work a full-time job and do this, and it, you know, it works pretty good in my favor. And then the location delivery, as you can see, I have the home location. That's the address to the Costco in my town. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's the address to it. And then I also have airport, which is $20, not bad to drop it off and, you know, have it contactless. And then I don't offer my car to my guests at the location, only at the airport. That way, once they get off the airport, it's in the garage, it's safe, and I know that my car is not gonna be towed or damaged or messed with, so it's better for me to keep it like that. You can offer like $80 to drop it off where they're at, and somebody will probably do it. Or you can offer like $50 or $100. I've seen that too, $100 to drop it off at the location. And people will pay that, you know. Some people will, but some people won't. It's all just up to you if you really want to do it or not. Actually, I might start thinking about doing it just to, you know, bring in some more money and everything like that, but we'll see. As of right now, my settings and my location's perfect for me, and that's the way I plan on keeping it. Pulled up at the gas station, about to put some gas in this car real quick, so that way we can prove, oh, see, that's why I'm like coming to this gas station, because every time I do, such a tight gas station and it's on a corner and there's just so much going on that you just gotta be careful. And I'm kind of far from the gas pump, but it's all cool, it's all good. But yeah, we had to get gas so we can get that receipt, and that way we can prove that we put gas in the cars. Man, I parked far away for real from the gas pump. But it'll be all right, it can stretch. Hopefully it can, and hopefully this thing got the receipt paper is working on this too. Because if not, I'm just gonna take a picture, because I don't feel like going inside. So that's what with me I just do today. All right, get that good regular gas. But it shouldn't be too much. Like I said, we just topping it off. That way it can just be filled up, you know. Y'all let me know how much gas is where y'all at. And sometimes y'all try to round off the gas too to the nearest dollar. And look, it's worked. We got the receipt. That's good, that's good. Usually, because like I said, it don't be working. But I'm glad it's working today. I'll pick up back up with y'all once we get to the airport later on tonight to drop off the car, and we'll finish off the video there. So I'll see y'all at the airport. Y'all, so as you see, we just made it over here to the airport. This is where we make our money at. Airport bookings and having delivery on your car is so important. Literally, like I tell y'all all before, the plane from the terminal to the car, it's right here waiting on you once you get off your airplane. And that's why having delivery is so important, because people, when they're on vacation, they want everything to go well and to be at ease and not have to worry about calling people or getting a ride or anything like that. They don't want to spend as much money. Things are pretty expensive nowadays, so it makes it a little bit convenient. And if you can too, try to have the delivery price a little bit lower. If you're going out your way to deliver the car to their hotel or to their exact address, of course you could charge some more, but if not, just have it a little bit lower, you know, that way you can get more bookings and that way you can beat out your competition too. My car gets rented out so much is because it's always here at the airport, and this is like my money maker. You definitely want to find a way to drop off and pick up your car a lot easier. Definitely get like a lockbox, or you can get a program to put in your car like how I do, so I can unlock it and lock it from my phone. Everything right there on my phone, and look, I can unlock it. Just in case y'all thought there's some magic going on, look, locked. Now the car is locked and I can unlock it. Unlock it. And that's exactly how I'm able to do delivery here at the airport, by doing this. And then look at that plane take off right there. Wow. So if you're able to, definitely have a system in a way so people can get off the plane, right off to your car, and get all that extra money. It is now the summertime. People are going on vacation. They want to have a good way to travel and at ease and everything like that. Make sure you have your car in delivery to maximize the money you can make this summer. This is a key thing and key way you are going to do well on Turo, and do that. However way you can, just make sure you're close to the airport or you have delivery at the airport. You know, that's basically gonna sum up today's video. You can follow me at Wallace Low Country Rentals on Instagram, and I'll be glad to answer any questions that you have, and I'll be glad to help you out with anything that you need help with. So a major key of how you're able to do airport deliveries or deliver anywhere is having somebody help you out with your deliveries. If it was not for my girlfriend, I wouldn't know what I would do, and I could not do deliveries, and this would not be possible without help and me having my girlfriend. That's gonna do it for today's video. And if you like today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Peace.